How to post a song on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can post a song on SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically post a song on SoundCloud, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to launch this SoundCloud application here. Now if you're using on mobile, you have to use the app and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. And to post a song, all you have to do is you want to tap the upper arrow icon from the very top of the screen here, and once you tap on that icon, you can select a song that you'd like to upload. Now you can give your song a title, you can pick a genre for it as well, and once you have done that, you can also choose to describe the track. And once you describe the track, you can add a caption to your post. You can also choose to make the track public or private depending upon what is it that you prefer. Then you can tap the save option from the top right to save the changes, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then post a song on SoundCloud. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.